Stabilizer, also known as cyanuric acid, is an essential chemical for your outdoor swimming pool. It helps to protect the chlorine from being degraded by the sun's ultraviolet rays. However, too much stabilizer can lead to a reduction in your chlorine's effectiveness. Therefore, it's crucial for you to maintain the proper levels of stabilizer in your swimming pool. I'm Jay, this is Jay's How-To channel, and in this episode, we're talking about maintaining the proper stabilizer levels in your swimming pool. So I've got this little test vial. We're going to bring it up to the 7 milliliter level, but we're going to take the sample from anywhere from 12 to 18 inches below the surface. If you guys want to purchase this 6-way test kit, you can find my Amazon affiliate link in the description below this video. And right there, it's 7 milliliters. Okay, we're going to add some cyanuric acid reagent, and we're going to bring it up to the 14 milliliter level. Maintain cyanuric acid levels between 30 and 60 parts per million. And now we're going to mix this for 30 seconds. High levels of stabilizer may diminish the sanitizing capabilities of chlorine. We're going to fill this vial until we can't see that black dot anymore. And now you can't see the dot. We're halfway between 30 and 40, which is 35 parts per million. I like to use the Pool Dash app. You can see my pool's got 19,000 gallons. Check out my previous video on how to size your pool. Now I'm changing the cyanuric acid level to 35 parts per million. You can change from ounces to pounds in this app. And you can see here, we're going to add about 4 pounds of cyanuric acid to our pool. In my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add stabilizer to your pool. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.